Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you forgot your lock screen password on Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. So, in case you forgot your password, then the best solution to your problem would be reaching out to Nothing customer support service, letting them know about this issue that you have, asking for their help, and they will ask you for some proof of the ownership of your device. I'm not sure what exactly this could be. It could be a receipt from the store where you bought the phone. It could be the box to your device, the card box, and I'm not sure what it's gonna be, but this way, if you show them the proof of the ownership of this device, they'll be able to help you out with regaining access to your device without removing any personal data from it. However, if you cannot do that, you still have a couple of options to consider. And these options are basically the factory reset options, which will surely let you regain access to your device, and you can do them all by yourself. But of course, they will remove all data from your device. So if you don't have this data backed up, then consider the first option instead. Now, how to perform a factory reset operation on your device? If you can perform it locally, then do this through recovery mode of your smartphone. If you don't know how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode of your Nothing phone, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step, and you're highly welcome to go ahead and check it out. However, you can also perform the factory reset operation remotely if you have a Google account set up on your device. In such case, use any other device you have access to open the web browser on it and find the FindHub web service. Once you enter the FindHub website, log in using your Google account that is linked to your Nothing phone. Go to Devices, select your Nothing phone from the list, and here you'll have the gear icon, and after tapping on it, you'll see factory reset this device option. And once you select it, the factory reset operation will begin, and once it's performed, you'll be able to set up your device once again as a new smartphone. And so that's the solution. However, if you do remember your password, but you still cannot access your device, this might be due to some third-party application or some background activity blocking this feature, or basically just affecting the way your lock screen behaves, so making your phone lag more or something else. In such case, try entering the safe mode of your device, where this third-party application or background activity will be blocked by default. And in order to enter the safe mode, you have to hold down power button and volume up key at the same time for about 10 seconds until your device shuts down, and you will know by the screen of your smartphone going dark. Then once the Nothing logo appears on the screen, start holding down the volume down button and just keep holding it until your device starts up fully. Once your device starts up, you will see safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your device's screen, and if you don't see this indicator, then try once again, because you probably just did something wrong, and this operation is kind of tricky, so I don't blame you at all. I mostly do something wrong most of the time. So once you are in the safe mode, unlock your device using your password, and just in case you succeed, before you try to figure out what kind of application could have done this, remove your lock screen password by going to settings, then navigate into security and privacy menu, open it, then go to device unlock, select screen lock, enter your lock screen password once again, and then select either none or swipe to remove your lock password. After that, to reboot your device into normal mode, press power button and volume up key at the same time and select restart. Your device will be rebooted normally. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.